Hello guys, welcome to episode 2 of Key Squares. In the previous episode we had king and pawn versus king with the pawn on the 4th rank. This time the pawn is on the 5th rank. In the previous lesson we had 3 key squares. This time we're gonna have 6 key squares. A big advantage for white in our case. Those key squares are c6, c7, d6, d7, e6 and e7 in this particular setup. As you can see, the white king already gained control of one of those key squares, which means he's supposed to win regardless whose turn is to move. And we'll start proving it with white to move. Obviously, he will not give up of any of the squares. It will be a mistake to move the white king backwards. That will give black the chance to get a draw. So we'll move the king, still keeping control of one of the key squares. In our case, let's say e6. Black will try to maintain a position. We can push the pawn now. Black will keep the central line. We push the pawn again, and because it's black's turn to move, he is forced to step out of the way. And now we again gain control of one of the precious squares, e7 in this case, and support the white pawn conversion. And if it's black's turn to move, things are much easier. We immediately gain control of the e7 square, and that will support the white pawn conversion and victory. Black will go forward, check, doesn't matter where he moves, another check, and we convert queen and win the endgame. We will post 2 exercises for you guys. Have a look, try them, quite challenging, and they obviously connected to key squares. And the next video we will show how you solve those exercises. See you next time.